Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Hisham here. ALZRC Fast Devil 420, and Ari has a speed gun set on a kilometer per hour. We're gonna see how fast it is.
Oh yeah.
I hope we don't crush it.
Crazy barbecue also.
We can burn the helicopter and get the...
If it dies, I have good hopes on this one. Huh? Okay, your bet. How fast is go?
The 100 kilometer an hour?
Okay, I say 112. Let's see who's closer.
This is like a half head speed. Alright. Just practice first. Okay. When it's coming towards us, see how fast it is.
Okay.
There we go. Come on. 54. Okay, coming back.
65, 71. You got 71 in this one.
71?
Yeah.
Alright.
So far.
Okay, head speed full. Ready?
Yeah. 116.
Whoa, we both were wrong, man. Try now. One moment.
I don't need to press it.
This one pick up some speed.
106.
106? Alright, one moment. Try now.
Holy cow. Now it's coming. 161.
161?
61. That was insane. 139.
Okay, so 161 was the fastest.
Yeah. Well, we can take that as a record.
Yeah. No, I'm not doing speed now.
Yeah, it's an average of 60. Ready? You got it, huh?
I'm going back when it's 35.
Okay, you want to try it?
30?
One moment. It's coming, then you tell me the speed, okay?
Okay.
Ready? It's coming now. Hold the button.
100!
Sweet, right?
100.
Okay, how do you do it?
Papa, do it faster.
Okay, Baba will go faster now. Ready?
No.
It's coming!
75! 75! Yeah, 75.
Alright, beeper is beeping. 169?
161.
161. That was nice, man. That was nice. 161 kilometer an hour. Sweet.
That was awesome. When you went, I saw the 100.
Yeah, next time we will try that big helicopter and see how fast that one can go. Okay?
Like end of the numbers?
No, I think that would be probably the same speed or a little more. I don't know. We'll find out.
Spin the rotor. I'll see how fast it can go.
No, this doesn't record the rotor. Rotor have another tool to record.